I've observed that sports and competing has always helped me to be a better person and a better professional. So my name is Rafik Amrane. I'm the Chief Supply Chain Officer of Sanofi Consumer Healthcare. I'm a mechanical engineer by training, and I started my career in automotive, joining Toyota as a beginner and being part of the launch of a new factory, taking part of all the activity to ramp up and then produce in that factory. Toyota was a very fundamental moment of starting my career and learning about manufacturing, lean. After 6 years at Toyota, I was hired to join consulting at McKinsey. So I was very interested to move from automotive and see how I could apply what I learned in Toyota in other industries. I spent 8 years at McKinsey doing large-scale transformation in various different industries, and that was amazing to see how I could adjust these learnings to very different environments. I was an athlete, and I joined the 2000 Olympics as a rower. And so I've always had a big space, a big place for sports in my life. It has always been part of my balance. And not only, I would say, physical balance, but very much mental balance. And I've observed that first, sports and competing has always helped me to be a better person and a better professional. There's a lot of bridges between sports and professional world. You learn about being humble, because actually it's never perfect and you're always looking for perfection. Even if you reach, world level, you always find people who are better, who do better than you. So there's always an inspiration to go up and beyond. The second thing is about discipline. You cannot achieve anything in sports if you're not disciplined and if you're not focused. It's an everyday work, it's an everyday commitment. A third aspect is about resilience. An Olympic athlete basically is planning for the next 4 years, for the next Olympics, or even for the next 8 years. And having this resilience and long-term perspective is very important and very useful in the professional world. I think as a young professional, I was sometimes a bit stressed and a bit too worried about what I was doing good, not good, what could I improve, and I think sometimes I just missed the opportunity to just enjoy what I was doing. Wait to see the impact of what you're doing, because some actions may take time, especially in large organizations. If you're moving too fast to something different, without really understanding what's the impact of what you've done, what the impact of your actions, what learning you can get from that, what was great, what you can improve. And that's where I think professionals are growing, is by getting this learning and this more long-term perspective on their actions.